What's the meaning of continuation? Continuation. Continuation.
Continuation. Continuation. Continuation refers to the act of carrying on or extending something that has already begun. It can refer to a continuation of a story, a musical piece, or even a trend or pattern. Essentially, it means to continue or pick up where one left off, rather than starting anew. In essence, continuation implies that there is a connection to what came before and that the new part builds upon what has been established already. It is a vital concept in many aspects of life, from literature to science to business.